How to enable Auto-Connect VPN in Avast SecureLine VPN for iOS. Install and activate SecureLine VPN. 1. To download SecureLine VPN for iOS, refer to the following article, Installing Avast SecureLine VPN for iOS. 2. To activate Avast SecureLine VPN for iOS, refer to the following article, Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for iOS. Enable Avast SecureLine VPN to connect automatically. Avast SecureLine VPN can be used anytime you want to connect to the internet with extra security and privacy, and is especially recommended when you are connected to a public or unsecured wireless network. To automatically turn on SecureLine VPN when connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi network, 1. Tap the Avast SecureLine VPN icon on your device's home screen to open the app. 2. Tap Settings, the gear icon, then select Connection Rules. 3. Tap the slider next to Auto-Connect VPN so that it changes to green. 4. Avast SecureLine VPN will now connect automatically when your device connects to an unsecured Wi-Fi network. If SecureLine VPN is unable to establish a connection, refer to the following article, What should I do if SecureLine is unable to establish a connection?